playing in the rain. Not a care in the children as the rain dashed down upon their hair. The little dog barked and no mammy called. The kids were so happy there. As the rain pelted and the rivulets flew, a child was pulled upon a cart. The ache then that was in my heart was of memories of childhood, far, far away. To see the joy and the smiles and play is like sunshine in a rainy time. Watching the joy as a little dog barked took me far back in my mind. How beautiful and picturesque to see the happiness as the children ran and played. To be reminded of childhood long gone, in a place I would happily have stayed. And now as the raindrops come down heavier and children wipe their brows, the play continues. And how I enjoyed this time. Thank you.